I'm going to be reviewing this EZ Swing by Young Electric. And check this out. This is amazing. So Rowan, he's my son. He put this thing together all by himself. And he's filming. He's going to edit. So if you see anything weird at the end of this video, that would be his doing. But Rowan, say hi and show him some footage of this thing. All right. I just went snow mountain bike riding. Look at these fat tires. If you've never snow biked with a fat tire, you need to try it out. It's amazing. And loaded this bike up. Very easy. This particular setup is just a one bike setup. But what if you need to get in the back here? This EZ Swing moves everything out of the way very easily in case you have like a tailgate or other like a swinging door. You need one of these things. So I'm going to review it, give you some stars, show you how it works as well. So if it's in the out position, you just pull it back, and this is pretty easy to do, I guess. And then for us, you got to make sure this is down. This locks into place all the way down through this, and then it's not going to swing out. And then it even comes with this extra, very satisfying click. And you could tell it's just really well built. It says it's only capable for 250 pounds. It comes with this. Look at this bolt. This is like world's biggest bolt here. And it's got the whole hinge contraption. And this it does come out and turn. So when and this is kind of hard to do. So it is like you got to kind of push down and then hit that. There's a little trigger here that releases it, and then it comes off, and then locks back down with it up. And then since this is up, it whoops, there we go, and it goes all the way, well, all the way till it hits my vehicle. So I guess it could go even further if the bike was smaller. But it's really easy to use. So far, so good. Really have liked it. It was a cinch to put together, right, Rowan? You put it together. Check that out. Boom. And then this is, you gotta use some force with that trigger. Click it on. It comes with, let's see, this is what it comes with here. This is a screw-on, so it doesn't wiggle around. I mean, look at this thing. It's moving the whole vehicle. We had a situation where it comes with this lock, but because of this, on this Yukon, this trailer plug-in, the lock wouldn't fit in here. So we just threw what is this called? What is this, Rowan? A pin. But I don't know that it's necessary because it does screw in, and then there is a lock washer on there. But this would just be for, I guess, double safety backup. Threw that on there. It does come with this. This is something, it's like a little piece of metal here with two bolts. These bolts down here are 17 millimeters, and it just kind of keeps it from rattling around or moving around. But even without that, it was already solid. So this thing is really solid. What are we going to do? Take it off? Show them how to put it back on? Let's do that. Since we already got this thing installed, I'm going to show you how to take it off. Installation would obviously be reverse. So let's take off these bolts. This is the, what they call it? Anti-wobble? Anti-wobble plate goes on there. I mean, it was solid without this, but that would be even, this plate is even extra. 17 millimeter, stick it under there and pull it off. And all this is a plate, and it holds it on just for extra. But even without it, look at that. It doesn't, I mean, it's not wobbling without it. And then we're going to pull the pin, because I showed you the lock doesn't fit on there already. Your vehicle probably, it will if something isn't right here in the way. And then we're going to take off this bolt, which is a screw. And then we're going to take off this, which is a screw as well. This one comes with the rack itself. This just could be a pin if you're in a situation where this didn't come with a screwable pin. So let's get working on these bolts. So we're gonna take these off. This is a 15/16. Seems like it fits the best. There might be a metric equivalent. Ooh. There we go. Pull that bolt out. And then take the rack off. This particular rack has been a great rack for us. Outfitter, in case you're wondering. Single bike, and it comes with this ramp for pulling bikes up. But this review is all about this thing, the swing, easy swing. And so we will take this off. Same bolt, 15/16. Highly recommend some sort of tool to get this in and out. It's just a lot of screws. We started by hand. We're like, man, this is going to take a while. So then we went with the tool. And then this thing, there it is. It says 250 pounds. It is a 2-inch hitch. Swing away. Young Electric. That's the brand. And I would say this thing's pretty heavy. It's probably, it might be just as heavy as the whole rack. A lot of heavy metal here. You know, it's a quality product. And when we were building this thing, actually, it was very hard to get this off. See, there it is again. It's just kind of needs, you kind of need to jiggle it, and then, oh man, there we go. Yeah, swings out, and then look, without the, if you get this thing, and that has to be up, it's hard to, man, move that. I mean, it's easy to move when it's attached and you're using your whole body weight, but just by hand, that is very, very solid. That screw, that bolt, this whole thing, this whole setup is pretty awesome. So, I don't know, it does exactly what it needs to do. I'm going to give it a great review. Lots of stars, fun to use. And so pick yourself up one. There's a link in the description below. World's biggest bolt here. World's biggest bolt here. World's biggest bolt here. World's biggest bolt here.